Jes crossbody bag.
Honey.
Hi guys, if you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're a subscriber, welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, or I guess you can say an enveloping of the Jes crossbody bag by Coach. So, let's get started. And I have my trusty pair of scissors right here, just in case I need it. I hope the bag actually came wrapped. Like, I hope it wasn't just like a floor model, like it was from like one of the stores and they just threw it in this envelope and shipped it out to me. Because that does happen sometimes. Okay. No, it looks brand new. Yay. Ugh. Don't you hate like when you get those like flyaways when you're unboxing something? Like, I don't know what this material is called. Like this stuff. Ugh. And this is what it looks like before we can do the unwrapping. It's a pretty big bag. I was gonna take this bag to on my trip to LA and also on my trip to San Francisco. Well, on my trip to California. I'm actually going to a concert in San Francisco for my birthday, and I'm also going to be going to LA too. But I think this bag is like way too big for like getting into a concert. But it's a nice travel bag, or even just like a nice everyday bag to hold all of your essentials. Let's start unwrapping. Okay, I'm gonna be weird for a second. And oh yeah, it has that new leather smell. This off. These little things are so easy to take off. I'm actually thinking about saving this stuff so I can, well, saving this like wrapping paper so I can like stuff some of my bags that are kind of like slouchy, just so they maintain their shape. Oh, and every time you buy a new bag from online, make sure you take the sensor out, which is this thing, or you're going to be beeping everywhere you go. Okay, and that's the care card. I always throw this away. Like, I already know you're supposed to like clean the body of the bag with fabric cleaner since it's canvas, and then clean like this part of the bag and the bottom of the bag too with leather cleaner, because it's obviously leather. I feel like I just said that weird, leather. Okay. Oh, it also has a nice gold hang tag. No scratches whatsoever. Let's see. I had the Jes crossbody bag in quilted leather. It was like the linear quilting, and it just really wasn't my thing, because I just feel like if you're gonna do like a quilted bag, it should be smaller, sort of like a nighttime bag. To me, this is like a big everyday bag. Oh, and the Jes quilted bag, with the linear quilting, it didn't even have like a chain strap, which I thought that was weird too. Usually bags with like quilting, they have some sort of chain. It's like usually like half leather, half chain strap. But no, it was all full leather, so that was weird too. I even tried buying like a little leather strap off of Amazon, but it just didn't look right. So that's why I ended up returning it. Okay, and it has, one thing I really love about Coach is that all other straps are adjustable. Like, they always have like different holes that you can adjust it to. because I was also looking at the Alma BB by Louis Vuitton, and that strap isn't adjustable. So I'm kind of like, I don't know. Especially being 5'8", I kind of like my crossbody bags to be longer. Okay, let's adjust this. I think I'm gonna put it on maybe this hole. Oh, and in terms of price, I think I paid, because I had a birthday coupon. So if you're not part of Coach Insider, I suggest you sign up for that. The birthday coupon, it gives you, I believe, 15% off, something like that. 15 or 10% off your purchase. Okay, so this is the bag. Do a quick try on. Yeah, so it hits me like right near my hip, which is good, like right near my belt line, which I like. And you can never go wrong with brown and black. Oops, almost sat on something. And it has a nice back pocket too, which I plan on putting my phone in there. Yeah, and it has, this is just like one big space, big pocket. Then the second hole, let's see. This one has like the pocket inside. And then there's the story patch. And I really like how the zipper is. It's very smooth. Because I cannot stand when a bag has like a janky zipper. Okay, the Jes crossbody bag. So yeah, that was my unboxing and like my little brief review. If you have the Jes crossbody bag, let me know in a comment down below. And also just comment and tell me how you like this video. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Alright, thank you.
Honey.